Fantastic Nerf Run. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Nerf Apollo, the Nerf Apollo XV700, included with my friend Ace and my friend Natalie. So let's get right into the video. On the front, it has a little picture. It shows experience the intensity. It gives you the name Apollo XV700. T is red. Basically the same stuff as the Zeus if you watch that video, except it's like the Apollo. So like ready indicator or priming indicator, because Nerf just says, hey, we're going to give new names for everything.
And the good thing about the Zeus is that it has a safety. That's one thing.
Yeah, so does this. It says trigger lock, magazine release, and deload mag. It has the same velocity as the Zeus, which is 100 FPS or 30 MPS, which is frames per second and meters per second. It has the accuracy. It says it's spring action. Attack rail. Wait, let me just quickly make sure we are recording. Okay, good. Wait, hold on. What's the bat? Oh, that's scary. We are at 1 battery percent. So also, apparently this is going to be a rush video. So.
He's weird.
Also, people,
this is weird.
Yeah, there it is. That beauty itself.
That's open.
Oh my god. And here we go. Here it is. I'm loving this.
He killed me.
I'm loving this.
Shoot it at the
It's
camera.
nice. It's actually a very nice gun. Trigger lock.
It's the newsman here.
Wait, hold on. Is it recording? Still?
Yeah. Wait, let me see.
Oh god, this is really hard to prime.
It hasn't been recording the whole time.
Wait.
Oh, freak. That's scary.
Dude! That is crazy! Did you hear that?
It was like,
It was like a gun.
But,
No, it's a gun that shot Ace.
no.
it's a gun that shot now.
This hurts.
I know.
It looks like it's rolling in the air. If we went outside right now and shot it.
No, you can't shoot those guns at anyone.
No, I know.
You can't
I'm gonna go.
shoot
Natalie,
guns
come here.
that hurt at anyone.
Natalie,
Because that's hurt.
I want to show you something cool. Come here. How about this one?
Alright, so, since my...
Jack, I'm just going to show
I
you.
know, Jack already showed me all.
Okay, guys. Wait, are we still recording? Good, I just want to make sure because we're at, like, really low battery. Also, a little side note, guys. If I run out of battery in the middle of this video, I will obviously do the responsible thing and maybe later on today, like not like right after because the camera would have to charge. So it's out! It's out! Dude, that's scary. Oh yeah, the mag release. Oh, it's small too. It's small. Always a plus. Always a plus side. Anyway. Dude, guys, I got it out.
You finally got it out.
Look at this thing.
It's small.
Oh yeah?
Holy crap! It moves down.
I felt the wind on my face.
That thing is really scary.
Wait, Jack, or Ace, look.
You can't even try that, little girl.
Wait,
Oh, he
Ace.
shoots
Ace,
these little
the
balls.
other way.
Cute little balls.
No, do it.
I can't shoot it. Wait, how do you shoot
It's
it?
safety. You scoop it up. I'm just kidding. You pull it back.
I tried.
Yeah, but you're not strong enough.
Okay, so.
Wait, I don't feel it. Holy
See, you
smokes.
feel the wind.
2, 3,
Jack, a
4,
bull stop.
5, 6, 7. Alright, let me quickly
Got it. No, it's
Take-
not. Let me see if it's weird.
this, put it in here, the right way. Hey!
Wait, what? How far did that shoot?
No, shoot outside.
Dude, this is scary.
Just in my butt.
It's really scary. in the review on the MSV 1200 actually. Yeah, it has been. And everybody, I hope you enjoyed this video. I certainly did. This gun is way crazier than I expected. Also, a little note. Has a priming indicator, so right now, as you know, I've primed the gun, so it's red. Or I don't know if you can see that. Wait, someone rang the doorbell.
Oh, we're not allowed in. It's not allowed.
No, you can't play. Just you guys tell me can't play. And now that I shoot it, oh wait, never mind, it's not primed. So it's black, as you can see. But then I prime it, and now, see, it's a bit more red, and when I shoot it, slightly bit less. Anyway, everyone, peace out. This has been an amazing video, and yeah, I'll see you guys. See you on